Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. In this one, we're gonna try to buy Supreme Week 1, or basically I'm gonna show y'all what happened this morning. Let me know in the comments if you guys ended up going for anything. Did you pick up anything? Also, leave a like and subscribe for more streetwear sneaker related content. I don't really want to keep y'all here for too long, so let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I cropped down the live cop from probably like a 8-9 minute situation to like a minute and 30 seconds. This is basically a little recap. Basically it was 11 a.m. and at this point I'm just waiting. Shit goes through and I go straight to sweaters, bro. Waste no time. I hop to the box logo hoodies and I'm trying to add it to cart. Bruh, shit was steep. It was on this processing screen probably for like a minute straight. No bullshit. I backed out, came back into it, and it says processing, but long behold, shit's gonna tell me to process again, and once it actually tries to do something, it says that it's sold out. So at this point I'm panicking, bro. Straight full on panic mode. I go back to the hoodie. I'm trying to see if I could get one to go real quick. I get it to checkout and I'm starting to process again. This time around is literally taking hella long, bro. I don't know if you guys were having the same situation I was dealing with, but it was literally processing for like 2 to 3 minutes straight. Wasn't giving me no hope with Apple Pay this morning, and shit said no internet connection. Literally kicked me out. I'm like, F this shit. I go to the tees. I added the gas tee in brown, the knowledge tee in brown as well. Back out and I go to the accessories. I remember they had the knife, so I try to get that in olive. At this point I'm trying to process this and just call it a day, bro. I'm not even gonna stress the BOGO. Shit sold out in brown, so I'm like, fuck it, let me get the gas tee in black before this shit sells out completely. I'm gonna go ahead and process payment on these 3 items, and I ended up getting the knowledge tee, the knife in olive, and I got the gas tee in black. I feel like it's pretty solid. Let me know what y'all ended up going for this morning. I know it's a little quick video. I'm not even gonna stretch this shit out by any means. Did you guys pick up anything? The box logo was fucking terrible. I do regret not going for the cast iron. I feel like I would have been more excited to get that than the box logo in itself, if I'm being honest. But we took an L on that. I low-key ended up not even going for the box logo fitted because that shit was just way uglier once it was time to actually buy it. Skipped on that shit. Honestly, I just picked up 2 tees because all the other ones weren't really standing out too much. Wasn't anything too special for me. I kind of regret not getting the Al Green, but I wouldn't really wear that in the personal. It's more so an investment that I would have picked up, so I'm not really stressing. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this quick ass video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more streetwear sneaker content. Whatever y'all want me to do, let me know in the comments below, and I might go ahead and do your video idea. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.